Hey, it's John Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. That's right. So today's lesson, I'm going to be taking us into school time. That's right. How many of us are thinking about school and what you're going to be having for lunch? Well, one of the things I always enjoyed when I was in school is getting those little milk cartons for school. So I thought, hey, let's do a fun little, cute little milk carton. All right, so if you have your pencils and paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. Now, what can you learn from this lesson, and what can you actually adapt? What you saw was this little milk carton. It was actually like 3-dimensional. Now, I'm going to be showing that more in upcoming videos, but from this lesson, maybe you want to stretch it really tall or make it really wide and play around with the shape and size of it. But basically, this is just a little fun introduction on perspective, and I thought this would be a fun way of doing it with this little milk carton. All right, so if you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, I want to say thanks, buds. Yeah. And if you haven't, make sure you hit that little subscription button down there. I appreciate that. As always, thanks for watching this video and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.